Good day everyone, I am Charles Brian B. Barte from BSMRE 2Y1-2 and today I will be discussing the role of religion. I intend to present this topic in an engaging way, providing insight into its significance and impact in the society. Religion is play a multifaceted role in society, influencing various aspects of human life, including moral values, social cohesion, cultural identity, and political structures. Its importance can be both positive and negative depending on the context in which it's practiced. For 1,000 years ago, religion has been the foundation of human civilization. It offers a set of beliefs, values, and behaviors that aid in directing people's everyday activities. But religions also has a significant influence on how society is shaped. First, religions provide a moral foundation. It teaches important values like compassion, honesty, and respect to others. Human morality is built upon several innate psychological systems that guide moral reasoning and behavior across cultures, which form the basis of the laws and social standards. These values help maintain others and harmony within the communities. Second is the religion create a sense of belonging. Through places of worship and religious communities, individuals find support, friendship, and identity in times of crisis, whether personal or social. Religious institutes often provide charity, comfort, and guidance. Lastly, religion also offers comfort in difficult times, helping people deal with challenges like loss and uncertainty. The belief in someone greater than oneself can give strength and courage to preserve when life is tough. However, it's important to recognize that religion can sometimes be a source of conflict. Misunderstanding to beliefs have caused disagreements and even violence throughout history. It's crucial that we can focus on the universal message of peace and unity that most religions promote. In conclusion, the role of religion in society is diverse. It shapes our moral, builds community, and offers comfort. But it also needs to practice to care to avoid division. Whether religious or not, we can all agree that religion has had and continue to have a major impact on human history and culture.